Hi there. How would you, yes, you, I'm talking, I'm talking to you personally here. How would you like to come to a harmonica workshop? It's a free workshop. It's on Thursday. And if you're prepared to come and roll your sleeves up, come and do some harmonica study, then I'm going to give you my 5-part plan. It's a roadmap. It's a system, a structure, a framework to help you become the best harmonica player you can possibly be. So we'll go through it all on the workshop, and we'll do the first step in the 5 steps, which is breathing and rhythm. So we'll do lots of rhythm playing, chords, chugging, train sounds, get in the groove. We'll play along with a bunch of tracks, and you'll find it's actually very easy. So this is open to beginners and people who've been playing for a little bit. If you're already experts, you probably don't need me, but if you want to get started, this could be just the thing for you. So it's going to be lots of fun. Come and enjoy it. There's no commitment really, it's free, so just register. There's a link down there somewhere. Don't register and then don't show up. That would be a bit rude. Don't do that because there's only 10 places available. So register, come to it, have fun, bring a C harmonica, diatonic. Key of C if you've got one, or something similar to that. And I'll see you there. Okay, bye for now.